document this for my own benefit. What is it?
In 1 kilometer,
March,
at the roundabout, turn right on A1112 Romford Road.
18:55. My car's basically been stolen. Never had my car stolen before. Complete shock. Had an appointment at this lady's house, was out within an hour and a half, and car gone. So my lovely husband is, I put a tracker in the car. I don't know if the teeth has picked
in
up
500 meters at the roundabout, turn right
now, which they can do, but I've seen it at an address, and we're gonna go for it. Of course, if someone is in the car, I'm not gonna be trying to fight with anyone. I'll call the police. I've got my children here as well. But yeah, I hope it's there. He said, I thought we were going to the shop. Yeah. Jesus.
turn left on
Guys, I'm trying to find my car. The tracker has brought me there.
You've arrived at your destination.